Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. So I will concentrate about this one. So we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to arctanx of s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have ds over s squared plus 1 dv equals to ln s ds. So now I will show you the technique how to find this integration. So we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to ln s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. dv we have ds. The integration of this one we have v equals to s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the integration du multiplied by v. So s divided by s we have number 1. This one we have s, and I will put about c. So the integration of this one we have v equals to s ln s minus s. Now we have u multiplied by v minus we have du multiplied by v So because we have the negative with negative, we have positive, and we have the integration s multiplied s over s squared plus 1 ds. Next, the integration of this one we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of s squared plus 1. And now we go back in here. So the integration of this one that is about this one plus that's about this integration. So this one cancel this one, and here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.